Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an auto reply that you are out of the office in your Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon at the top right corner of the Gmail page here and go down and select See All Settings. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath where it says vacation responder. You want to go and select vacation responder on. You can select the first and last date of the vacation responder in here, as well as any message you want to type in here as the actual message that will be sent out on your absence. You can adjust the subject line as well. And you can also, if you want to customize this only to go out to people in your contact list, you can check mark that option. And that's pretty much it, guys. And you just would select Save Changes. And like I said, it's pretty easy to do that. You come back from vacation or you want to just end it, you can just select the End Now button up at the top. Or if you want to edit those settings, you can select Vacation Settings, which will take you back to the setting page in here. You will have to scroll down again to go back to the specific area here. And you can just turn it off by selecting Vacation Responder Off. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.